There is no impossibility. There is nothing impossible for them. Those who make the impossible possible build the world on the water. We are Scotra. Creates everything on the water. Scotra. Scotra creates a new world. The world they create ranges from floating solar power plant, marinas, water leisure facilities, festival floating bridge, floating stage, to floating parking lot. But their world is new because it is on the water. Scotra creates anything on water, whatever the customer wants. This is possible because of the multi-room float developed by Scotra. Scotra's multi-room float, which is made from polyethylene material with high durability, forms 9 sealed spaces to maintain high buoyancy, stability, and strength. Connect 4 floats with the same direction of the logo and insert the center pin in the center. In addition to multi-room floats, we have applied general floats and aluminum pontoons, etc. to various construction sites. Since the first development of the float in 2004, we have established Scotra Corporation in 2007. We have 5 joint patents registered with the Korea Water Resources Corporation, LSIS, and POSCO. We also have a number of exclusive Scotra patents on product durability, docking facilities, and prefabricated pontoons, etc. Based on this technology, Scotra opened a new world. In 2012, we succeeded in designing and constructing floating solar power commercialization model, the world's first renewable energy project. The floating solar power plant made of the polyethylene reinforced pontoons that have almost no distortion due to heat and ice pressure, and maintains buoyancy even in the event of local failure. And the corrosion-resistant and environmentally friendly POSMAC made of high corrosion-resistant alloy steels. Collecting the electric power through the connector band by connecting the solar panels installed on the water, converting it into the electric room and transmitting it to the Korea Electric Power Corporation, which is the electricity we use. Starting with 500 kilowatt floating solar power in Hapcheon. We have constructed 16 floating solar power plants with a total capacity of 39.5 megawatt in Korea and Japan as of 2018. We are growing as a floating structure specialist in floating solar power generation business. Recently, we have completed the largest solar power plant in Korea in the capacity of 18.7 megawatt in Gunsan. As a new and renewable energy business, we have been certified as an eco-friendly facility that demonstrates the effects of increasing fish, spawning ground, and aquatic plants, and reducing algae blooms in the environmental impact assessment from the KEI. Scotra is leading the world's first and only in Korea floating solar power installation sector. The Unlimited Challenge, Scotra is making a new world on the water. We have been providing a one-stop service for design, manufacture, and construction of various water facilities, including solar floating facility for the past 10 years, and completed more than 1,000 constructions. Especially, we installed marinas for marinas and various yachts at international yacht competitions. They were excellent facilities to host the world-class competitions. Our company has established the Jinhae Marine Adventure for families and lovers, so that anyone can enjoy the world on the water with fun. Over the past decade, Scotra's business has been expanding both domestically and internationally. Since 2014, Scotra has participated in exhibitions in China, USA, and Holland, to promote Scotra's technology worldwide. Since then, we have been exporting leisure boats to 3 Southeast Asian countries, starting with the Philippines, and expanded the floating solar power business in 2 Asian countries. In the future, Scotra plans to build the floating solar power plant with a total capacity of 50 megawatt at more than 10 sites, and is planning the floating solar power plant in gigawatt capacity as a 3-year project. In addition, Scotra conducts the development of a marine photovoltaic system, the largest national project undertaken by the Korea Institute of Science and Technology Evaluation and Planning, for 60 months. The endless Scotra. We will not stop running until the day we leap to the forefront as the world's best leading company in the water floating market. Someone called it reckless challenge. But Scotra has become a leader in the blue ocean market, the water floating system. In 1900, the Scotra ship first discovered the legendary island of Eodo. It is Scotra's will to discover and build a new world. The environment on the water is of unlimited value. It is our goal to satisfy our customers who believe that value. So we challenge and achieve new things with endless effort. We are Scotra.